Nose. Please be strictly in accordance with the operating instructions in case of harms. It is suggested to use in an open but not densely populated area. The drone defaults to GPS mode when it is turned on. If you want to fly indoors, you need to turn off GPS and switch to indoor mode to unlock the takeoff. Please comply with the local relevant regulations. Learn the limitations and requirements of airspace and reasonably use this product. Please keep the battery far away from the fire and flammable materials. No squeezing or removing. Please recharge the battery indoor. This product contains small parts. Please properly place it. Product display. Product list display. Pre-flight preparation. Open the storage bag. Take out the drone. Unfold the drone's arms. Then unfold the drone's four blades. Make sure the camera cradle is in a state of level. Remove the remote control from the storage bag. Put the drone on horizontal ground and turn on the power. Then turn on the remote control power. At this time, the lights on the drone flashes quickly. The lights on the remote control flashes. Then push up the left joystick of the remote control and pull down. At this time, on the drone front and rear lights, from front and rear consistent slow flash into front and rear alternating slow flash to indicate the success of the frequency. Long press the gyro calibration key. Drone lights change from fast flashing to slow flashing. At the same time, the remote controller sends out a drip sound, indicates a successful calibration. Long press the geomagnetic correction key. Remote controller sent out a drip sound. Drone lights changed from slow flashing to fast flashing. Then you can calibrate it. Pick up the drone 1 meter from the ground. Slowly rotate clockwise for 3 turns in the horizontal direction. The indicator light of the drone changes from fast flashing to slow flashing. Remote controller sent out a drip sound, indicates that the horizontal calibration is successful. Stand up the drone, camera down, turn clockwise 3 times. The rear indicator light of the drone changed from flashing slowly to always on. Remote controller sent out a drip sound, indicates a successful calibration. After successful calibration, the front indicator light flashes slowly. The rear indicator light is always on. Place the drone on the level ground for about 30 seconds. The front indicator light of the drone changed from flashing slowly to always on. Remote controller sent out a drip sound, indicates successful search for satellite signals, can unlock takeoff. Connect with Wi-Fi. Scan the corresponding QR code. Download app. Enter the option of phone settings. Open the wireless network. Search for the device. Carry out connection. After that, withdraw from the option of settings. Open the software on the phone. Put the phone onto the phone bracket. Before the flight of the drone, please unfold the remote control's 2 antennas. Only by doing that can the control distance be not affected. Drone unlocking. Long press the remote control unlock button. At this time, the 4 propellers rotate at the same speed, indicating that the unlocking is successful. The drone can operate and fly normally. Basic operations. Go up. Go down. Turn left. Turn right. Go forward. Go back. Fly to the left side. Fly to the right side. Headless mode. 3-speed switch. Gimbal adjustment. Function of camera and video. Camera and video key. Short press for camera. Long press the camera and video key. Start to record. Again, long press the camera and video key. And the recording. Gesture photo. About 2 meters right ahead of the drone lens. Make a gesture of yeah with the hand raise. After the drone successfully recognizes the gesture, it starts to take photos after a countdown of 3 seconds. Gesture video. About 2 meters right ahead of the drone lens. Raise one hand with fingers exactly vertical. After the drone successfully recognizes the gesture, it will start to record. Again, recognize the gesture and the recording. Click on the icon of VR mode. Wear the VR glass. Enter the VR mode. Experience the function of 3D VR. Zooming 50 times. Available to console adjustment. Independent app control. After the remote control is matched with the drone, connect the drone with Wi-Fi through the phone. Open the app for regular transmission of video. At this time, turn off the remote control. The app on the phone will be connected with the drone within about 5 seconds so as to control the flight. Then turn on the remote control. After manual frequency alignment, the remote controller will reconnect to the drone to control the flight. Waypoints. Click on the icon of waypoints. Zoom in. Draw the waypoints. Click on the icon of sending. The drone will start from the starting point. It will fly to the first point on the tracks, then fly point by point in order. Point of interest. Click on the icon of flight around. Click on the icon of sending. The drone head will center on the current location, fly clockwise or anti-clockwise. During the process of flight around, it is available to control the drone in going up, going down, going forward and back. GPS-based follows. Phone app follows. Click on the icon of GPS follows. The drone will fly by following after the phone. Click on the icon of one key for return. The drone will return to the starting point automatically. After the drone code matching is successful, the drone defaults to GPS mode. Press the GPS switch on the remote control. Switch to optical flow mode. Can fly indoors or without GPS. Click on the icon of MV. Enter the interface of MV. In MV's formatting content, it is available to add background music, filter, and lens effects. Battery replacement and charging. When the drone lights change from long on to flashing, the remote control emits a continuous alarm sound. At this time, the drone needs to be recalled for battery replacement. Press the battery buckle. Pull out the battery. Connect one side of USB with the battery charger jack. The other side is connected with the USB interface, a 5-volt 1 to 2 ampere adapter. The battery indicator is always on when charging. The battery indicator is not on after the battery is full. The battery is fully charged for about 90 minutes. After the battery recharging is finished, put the battery into the drone body. Connect one side of USB with the remote control charger jack. The other side is connected with the USB interface, a 5V 1 to 2 ampere adapter. The remote control indicator is always on when charging. The remote control indicator is not on after the battery is full. Drone's blade installation. Remove the screws. Take out the blades. During the replacement, pay attention to be corresponding to A blade and B blade. Put the blades into the drone. Tighten the screws by continuously rotating.